Want smoother FPS in Fortnite? Here's how to turn off high-resolution textures. Open the Epic Games launcher, then head to the library. Scroll down until you see Fortnite. Click the three dots to expand the settings, then click on Options. Uncheck the box labeled High Resolution Textures. This should disable high-res textures in-game. Now, launch Fortnite and you should notice smoother performance and more stable FPS. You can pair this with optimized in-game settings for even better FPS gains. You can turn down visual settings under the Video tab to ensure that you have less time to lag and more time to frag. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite guides. See you in game!